Trading versus investing. Two approaches to the financial markets. In today's video, we'll tackle the question, trading or investing, which is better suited to you? Truth is, one is not above the other. While the terms are commonly used in the financial markets, there are key differences between trading and investing. Trading often involves a higher frequency of transactions and holds assets for a much shorter time. If you think of it like buying a limited edition sneaker with the purpose of selling it immediately for profit, that's trading. On the other hand, investing aims to build wealth over the medium to long term. Some watch collectors buy luxury watches with the intention of keeping them for several years or even decades, hoping for price appreciation. That's investing. Let's compare the financial goals of traders and investors. Traders generate returns through buying and selling assets, while investors aim to build wealth by primarily focusing on price appreciation and reinvesting dividends. Now let's explore the time frames and risk involved in trading and investing. Traders operate with shorter investment periods, subjecting themselves to the unpredictable market volatility. In contrast, investors hold assets for longer periods and tend to be less sensitive to short-term price fluctuations. Lastly, let's explore the different analytical approaches used by traders and investors. Traders rely more on technical analysis, analyzing price movements and charts, while investors tend to favor fundamental analysis, considering factors like financial statements and future growth prospects. In conclusion, traders and investors have different philosophies and analytical methods, but one isn't inherently superior to the other. Trading can be fast-paced with larger gains, but also larger losses, just like buying and selling limited edition sneakers. Meanwhile, investing, like collecting luxury watches for long-term appreciation, offers stability and potential growth. There can be both room for trading and investing in your financial journey. Whichever path you choose, our channel will continue to share more insights on trading and navigating the world of finance. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.